Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily disable Clash Royale personalized offers on iPhone and Android. Personalized offers in Clash Royale are designed to recommend special bundles, deals, and in-game purchases based on your activity and progression. However, some players prefer a cleaner experience without targeted promotions or customized shop recommendations appearing frequently in the game. So, if you want more privacy or simply wish to reduce personalized marketing content, Clash Royale provides a hidden way to limit these tailored offers. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Clash Royale game on your device, and then you have to hit the three-line menu located at the upper right corner of the screen. And when the menu shows up, you have to choose the settings option to proceed. After that, you have to hit more settings option. Then you have to disable the toggle located right next to personalized offers. And finally, you have to hit the X button to get rid of the menu, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily get rid of the personalized offers in Clash Royale. Once disabled, the game will stop using personalized recommendations for in-game offers and promotions based on your activity. Of course, if you ever happen to change your mind and wish to get the personalized offers again, just go back to the same setting and re-enable this very feature, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and to subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.